2022 Hyundai Tucson plug-in hybrid. This vehicle came for its first preventive maintenance, so we're going to change the oil. We're going to see how many quarts of oil this engine will have. This vehicle, remember, that uses 1.6 turbocharged engine. So let's check it out. Oh, red alert. We found something wrong. Doing the inspection of the vehicle, I found, why is this undercover broken? And you know what's this? This is the communication line for the battery system. You know, this vehicle is a plug-in hybrid. The main high voltage cable, the whole hybrid battery is right here. But hey, look, all the water and all the kind of crap is coming in here. I don't know why they opened this. Something wrong, something happened here. That's really bad. I'm gonna have to inform the customer of this issue because this is not good. This is supposed to be completely covered, otherwise all the kind of crap from the tire is getting directly into the main connection of the hybrid battery. Remember, this is a plug-in hybrid. Okay, let's see the cartridge filter. That's a dark color. I'm actually not the biggest fan of this system, but that's how it is. Ready to go in. All right, let's see what's the condition of the oil. Why am I not surprised? It's freaking dark as hell. So checking under the Hyundai Tucson plug-in hybrid, we see this vehicle is a four-wheel drive with a powerful diff locker right here. Look at the suspension. Yeah, the suspension is very, very sophisticated, which is telling us that this vehicle drives super stable. I am actually very surprised at the small size of the tank over here, considering the size of the hybrid battery. Now hear this. Upon the filter cartridge, this little thing to drain it, it's kind of a slab. I don't like that, so we're gonna start the car and make sure I'm not leaking in anything from this little drain plug. Why do they do that like that? The air filter is okay. We're gonna top it out right now. What oil are we using?
Oil Signature Series. We're changing a good oil for a good oil.
Correct. Dark engine oil, not gonna happen anymore on my watch. According to the technical information, this 1.6 liter turbo engine should take a little over 5 quarts. We're gonna turn on the vehicle and measure it. Ready to start the engine and turn it off. Let's measure again with a little over 4.5 quarts, probably. Let's see. It still needs more. So we're definitely gonna finish to put 5 quarts complete. Let's measure now with 5 quarts complete. And it's up to level now. That's correct. One of the greatest benefits of a plug-in hybrid car is that you don't necessarily drive in this vehicle using the internal combustion engine oil, but only in EV drive for many, many miles. As I told you, after I start the vehicle, I want to make a pressure test and make sure nothing is leaking because I really don't like this system, but so far so good. Let's also check the condition of the cabin filter. Let's see. Probably the first time these guys change it. See, wow, yeah, it's a real crap with a lot of dust in it, eh? Good thing that I got the new one here. But hear this, they're not the same. Customer actually brought the wrong filter for the cabin, so I'm gonna have to send them the part number. Here it is. There you go. Clean it and put it back in. Once clean it, we're gonna put it back in again. There you go. That should be it. Bye-bye. Hyundai Tucson, look. This vehicle uses a dual clutch transmission, but it's all driving always in electric mode. But hear this, the vehicle is also shifting in electric mode because you know what? The electric motor is the one who drives the gearbox. So let me know in the comments if you want me to review the all-new Hyundai Tucson plug-in hybrid vehicle. Is it worth it to make a video? Let me know in the comments.